Alrighty, welcome back to a special video. Today I'm going to be testing GFCIs and exit signs at a church. So, it's kind of an interesting setup, but... Oh, there we go. Trip. It's actually a nice design. Alright, next up is this one right here. We got test and reset. Uh-oh. There's like one here, but there's a coffee thing plugged in, so I'm not going to test it. But I think we might have a faulty one here. And over here, we have one that seems to be already tripped, but yeah. Oh yeah, wheel lock NS. Alright, so next up is the kitchen, and I'm going to start with GFCIs in here. So this one has a microwave plugged in, so I'm not going to test that. We have a GFCI right here, so test and reset. We have one that's, again, already tripped. Alright, good. We have one here. And another one right here. And we have like one more right here. Alright, thanks for watching.